latch controls free and correct. Flight instruments good. Gas space tank flaps up prop forward. Trimmer center, power 1800, we did the cycle. Temps and T's and P's are good. Power idle, cooler door. Gonna push to open. And then we are gonna go to there he is. Okay. Spirit traffic RV14 Alpha, taking off 14 southeast departure of Spirit. Make it forward. Boost pump is on. Spirit traffic RV14 Alpha, heading southeast, departing the Panama's Cold Spirit. Lights coming off, boost pump is coming off. Pipe checklist complete. We are cruising. Compass. Alright, go back up to 23 inches. Bring the prop back to 24.
Contact Warrior 240 Golf 5 miles south, point.
And we're going to monitor power, adjust altitude. Mixture, we have it at, set it at 9.
X-ray, left downwind sign, 32.
Ashland traffic, RB1 for Alpha 10 West, inbound landing, Ashland. That's the hangars over there. There's lots of farms out here, so all the barns look like hangars. Lots of open fields with symmetrical structures. Maybe tomorrow we'll go and land on Madeline Island. Yep, must be it over there.
Wind 080 at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition overcast 6,500. Temperature 10 Celsius. Dew point 01 Celsius. Altimeter 3007. Remarks. Density altitude 3.
Ashland traffic, RB1 for Alpha, downwind 02, Ashland. Well, we're at pattern altitude, gonna trim those up, pull back to 13. Boost pump is coming on. Okay, one set of flaps coming. Speed, we want to go 95 and 10 indicated. We're looking at 02. We're nearly a beam. We'll go flaps, going 20, pump mixture forward. Boost pump is on, and we're going to pitch for 85. The beam checklist complete. Okay, we're going to turn key point. Steps are going final, and we're going to drop to 11. And landing lights are coming on. Going to trim those up. Key point checklist is complete. And we're at 76. Clear right, clear forward, clear left. Ashland traffic, RB1 for Alpha, turning final 02 Ashland. Okay, we're at full flaps. .500 at key point, turning. Pump mixer forward, boost pump is on, landing lights are on. Aim point set. And glide path stabilized. Runway clear. Landing checklist complete. Flaps are coming up. And we'll have back tack. Flaps all the way up. Ascent traffic, RV1 for Alpha, got back taxi 02, Ascent. That was way too high. But don't panic. Just fly it to the ground. Okay, we are clear right, clear forward, and clear right, clear left. Boost pump is on. Pump mixture forward. And away we go. Full power on the rudders. She wants to fly already. And I'll coax her up a little bit. Goes down trim. Oil pressure's good, oil pressure's good. And good little turnout. Sun. So we're gonna pull back to 24. And we're gonna pull back to 2400 RPM. Pump's coming off. Fuel pressure's good. Fuel flow is good. Trim nose forward. And now we need to find the loop. So, go nearest. Recent. That one. Direct to. Okay, so we're gonna fly into the sun. So climb is flaps are up, power pump 24. And landing lights are off. Climb checklist is complete. Stereo traffic, RV1 for Alpha, 10 east at 3000 in the overflying Sky Harbor for a left midfield turn into 32 landing Superior. Temper's coming up, it's 161 now.
Interior, Richard I. Bong Airport. Automated weather observation. 0, 0, 3. Zulu, weather, wind, 3, 5, 0, at 6. Visibility, 1, 0.
Coming basically straight down the nose. A little bit from the right. Speed is 120, stabilized at 2000. Airport is in sight, fuel pump is coming on. And we're going to want to pull back to 1300. Just in. Basically, pull the nose up, trim it up. The downwind we want to go 13. We are at 13. Spare traffic RV14 Alpha, we're crossing field into left downwind 32, full stop, secure. Okay, we're at pattern altitude, our speed is good. Way downwind. Clear right if I can see anything, clear forward. And clear left. We're in trim nose up. Trim nose up. And we'll go one notch of flaps. Traffic RV14 Alpha 10, downwind 32, Superior.
Sky Harbor traffic, Skyhawk 4877 Juliet is 8 miles to the southwest, coming in for a full stop, 32, Sky Harbor.
Seven. We are downwind. We're at 90. Landing lights are coming on. And a beam. Going 2 notches, and pitch for 85, we're going to drop to 11. Fuel pump is on, pump mixture coming forward. Pitch for 85. Spare traffic RV14 Alpha, base 32, Spare. And we're going to turn on our next notch of flaps. Beam checklist is complete, we're now going. The 75, fuels.
Hey, 14 Alpha, how wide's your base?
I'm closing in, I'm going final now.
Alright, cool, we're just outside you then to the east here on our way to Bond, so, or to Sky Harbor, so we're good.
Yep. traffic call V1 for Alpha, final 32 spare. Final bird set, landing lights are on, boost pump is on. Right scope is good. Trim up. Runway clear. Landing checklist complete.
Sky Harbor traffic. Skyhawk 4877 Juliet turning about a 5-mile final for 32 Sky Harbor.
Flaps all the way up. Was better. Boost pump is coming off. It was a nice landing. Spare traffic call V1 for Alpha, clear 32 at the terminal, Spare.